It's a new day, new beginning with lots of hope. As if you can see, it's a beautiful sunny day here in Blue Mountains. So we're going to start something new here today actually. So it's going to be colorful and brighten your life in culinary knowledge. Well, while you're enjoying this breathtaking view, so let me welcome you to my YouTube channel, Spicy New. It's 10:30 in the morning, so it's definitely breakfast time. So I thought to make a super delicious breakfast dish. So you enjoy the meal. I'll see you in the kitchen. Hi again. I'm very happy to be at my kitchen right now. We had a long walk early in the morning. So I think I forgot to tell my name out there. I'm Nirmal and welcome back to Spicy New. So today I thought to do a traditional Sri Lankan milk rice and a chili sambar to go along with. So let's get to work. Okay, for this you need 2 cups of short grain white rice. You need to wash it a few times until all the dirt goes away. And add 6 cups of water. Okay, cooking time. Rice on and the lid on. While our rice is being cooked, we'll get ready with our coconut cream mixer. So all you need is 4 cups of coconut cream and 4 teaspoons of salt. Make sure to taste the coconut cream before you add the cream into it and mix well. The idea here is if you have a flavorful coconut cream, so that means you get the best results of the milk rice. So you can see it started bubbling up. So what you got to do is take the lid off and put the lid back on. Turn the fire down a little bit. The idea here is the rice has to be cooked perfectly before the coconut cream added. Now we are adding the coconut cream to the rice. So you can see our rice has been perfectly cooked. You can see that. Now add the coconut cream mixture to the rice and give a good stir and cook through. And make sure to turn down the heat completely, and you need to stir it like every now and then just to make sure the bottom will not get stick. And also when you pick rice, you also can use short grain red rice and basmati and suan dal particularly. Well, the suan dal is the very famous and very authentic rice to make this dish, but not the parboiled rice for sure. Just remember to give a stir time to time to make sure that the bottom will not stick. I think we are in the final stage of the rice, and you can see clearly that it's not sticking each other. There's no sign of the raw milk, so it's all been incorporated properly. You can see the texture, it's a bit hard. So this is the right texture that we're looking for. So now we turn the fire off completely, and we are about to transfer this to our dish, chafing dish. As you can see, there's nothing been stick to the bottom, and so everything is in the tray right now. So after that, the best way is to wear a glove, and so you have done most of your the flatten, and then after that you take a glove so it's not gonna stick. And there's another way that you can put a baking sheet on top, and you can easily flatten out if you don't want to wear the gloves. So you just lay the baking paper on top, spread evenly. Even that way you can do the spreading nice and smooth. All right, we are done. Okay, now we are here to do the chili sambar. First of all, I'll tell you what you need. So you need chili flakes, moldy fish, with green chili, half a lemon, and some salt, onion. So the chili, I'm gonna put 5 tablespoons. I'll tell you a small trick how to reduce down the spiciness and get the same color. Half of the amount of chili flakes and add sweet paprika, and then do the same drill, and you will get less spicy but still same colorful chili sambar. And 1 teaspoon salt. The trick here is I'm gonna use little bit of the secret ingredient. You're not gonna believe what I'm gonna put in. That is some water. I will tell you and I will show you why I'm putting water to it. So it's not too much, just to cover it. And you can so you can see that. So in this end, we're gonna put the moldy fish in. I would have about 30 grams of 25 to 30 grams of moldy fish. And if you're a vegetarian or if you're vegan, so you can easily skip this stage. And the chili, and sometimes, you know, even if you can put a bit of crushed pepper to it, because I said that earlier that I have a spicy tooth, so I'm really love to have the spiciest food on my table. Okay, so now you can see the chili, the crushed chili, the chili flakes, green chili, and the moldy fish is all been crushed properly. So what we are doing is right now is add a bit of onion. Oops, it got fallen. Trust me, this is the smallest mortar and pestle I'm using. I should have a fairly bigger one. Onion doesn't want to stay inside of the chili. See, they already started feeling. So this happens because the mortar and pestle is it's not deep enough. So if you have a bigger one, so this is going to be way easier, and you don't need to cover the process with your hand like this. You can clean them off once you come here. Anyway, you're going to have a good food after all. So it doesn't matter if you have a bit of a mess. Well, this is the proper texture that we are looking for. It's not so dry, not so liquidy, because it's anyway going to be, I'm going to add lemon juice to it, so you can feel more liquid. Oops, jumping onions. All right. We're almost done, and it's like a big lime I got. So I just got like a 1/3 of it. But if you have a normal size lime, so you can feel free to use half, and just according to the taste. I'm almost feeling it. No need to pound it. If you just mix it through, that's more than enough. Now all we need to do is clear the mess, because you're gonna get ready to have the beautiful milk rice along with this beautiful chili sambar. Okay, now the taste test, the best part. It's spicy, refreshing. It's full of flavor, trust me. You will like it. I'm gonna cut the milk rice. It's perfectly cool it down. So here we are in the final stage of this recipe, so which is the best part, honestly. So tasting part, which everyone loves the most. And well, I'm gonna use my hand to mix this beautiful chili sambal and milk rice. You can have it with banana, you can have it with chicken curry, you can have it with fish ambultia, you name it. So you can have it whatever you like, or you can have it with by itself. So it doesn't matter. So the most of the kids loves to having the milk rice by itself. And well, milk rice is something that you can have it at any kind of a celebration. So in Sri Lanka, in weddings and like birthday parties, so any kind of a special occasion. So we used to make, we are making milk rice and serving it to the people who is around. So all right, so let's have this. Let's see. Well, it's perfectly seasoned. That's very important when it comes to a recipe. So whatever you make, the seasoning has to be perfect. If the seasoning is not right, so it doesn't matter how hard and how much time that it takes. So if the seasoning is not right, any type of food will not become so tasty. But in this, trust me, it's so perfect. And the sambal, it's like it's spicy and refreshing, and you can literally feel. But when you mix with the rice, you don't feel it much. You don't feel it much though. But trust me. I hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. And if you have any requests to make like any type of a food that you want me to make, please write down in the comment section so that I will get back to you with the positive feedback. And if you have any questions, I will write to you back, each and every one of yours. All right.